Okay, so I just spent 20 bucks on a blanket that's honestly better than my $200 comforter, and I'm kinda mad I didn't find this sooner. You know that feeling when you're freezing on the couch but you don't want to crank up the heat because your electric bill is already insane? Yeah, we've all been there, scrolling through Netflix wrapped in 3 sad layers that still aren't doing the job. Here's the thing though, this Bedsure Sherpa fleece throw blanket is literally 2 blankets in one. Soft flannel on one side, thick fluffy Sherpa on the other. So when spring hits and you just need something light, flip it. Winter comes back around, flip it again. It's like having options without buying more stuff, which honestly, that's the whole point, right? And people are obsessed with this thing. We're talking thousands of reviews from folks who bought multiple blankets because they couldn't stop at just one. It holds up after washing too, which is kinda rare for budget throws. Doesn't shed everywhere or turn into a scratchy mess after 2 weeks. The link's below if you want to check it out. But real talk. Do you flip your heat off at night to save money and just pile on blankets? Or is that just me being cheap? Drop a comment because I need to know I'm not alone here. And if you know someone who's always cold, like always, tag them because they need this more than they need another coffee.